friends, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. This is Uma Shankar, All India IT Coordinator. Welcome to Season 1 of JEE Max, that is Main Advanced Extreme Series. In Season 1, JEE Max Series 1, we are concentrating the concepts, problems, shortcuts, assignments, and tests. In Series 1, we are concentrating the differential equations chapter, which is very, very important for board examination as well as JEE Mains and Advanced. A simple and an important topic. It won't take much time also for you in your regular preparation. But again, please don't neglect to check the description. There I am providing the beautiful tests, assignments, links for those things. And my friends, please share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thereby you will get the fresh notifications every day and every minute whenever we are uploading new videos for you. Yeah, so far successfully we have completed differential equations in this series up to lesson number 4. This is about lesson number 5. My friends, this is one of, as I mentioned earlier, this is one of the beautiful chapter and a very, very important chapter. And as in your syllabus, in a differential equation, the first order and first degree differential equation is there. And we introduced what is a first order and first degree differential equation. And we have introduced the methods. There are in general 5 to 6 methods are there. Of course, apart from that, there are another 3 to 4 methods are there. And those things I am not giving it in this video, through this video, because the only methods which are there in your syllabus only here I am mentioning. So far we have completed the variable separable method, reducible to variable separable, and homogeneous differential equations and non-homogeneous differential equations. Now the most important method is linear differential equation. Yeah. If you have observed all previous papers, majority of the questions in differential equations, they came only under this linear differential equations and equations reducible to linear differential equations. Actually, equations reducible to linear differential equations, we can also call it as a Bernoulli's equation that I will explain later. Don't worry. Now, what is a linear differential equation? Okay, this is the most important differential equation compared with all other methods. After next one, homogeneous is next important, variable separable. But ultimately, variable separable is a part and parcel of everything. That is the way, instead of as a method, it is very familiar in all. It is a part and parcel of all other methods. So, than a method, it is very useful in all other methods. Okay. So, if you are concentrating the methods of linear differential equation, what is the general form of linear differential equation and what is the procedure to solve the linear differential equation, then we'll get understand that okay, ultimately where we land, we will convert the entire differential equation into the known form. Before that, here what I'm doing is what kind of structure whenever the differential equation is in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Please try to understand dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q here they play very good role. Here p and q, they are in functions of x only because my x has the independent variable. Here my x has the independent variable. So here p and q are functions of x only, or they may constants, or they are constants. Because every constant function we can write it as either function of x or function of y. That is a different story. But either they are constants or functions of x only, provided x is the independent variable. If y is the independent variable, automatically p and q are the functions of y only. So the another form of the same linear differential equation, we can also write it as dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here only x, not p y square or p x square, something like that. Just p y, p x, that's all. P is a function in x, q is a function in x or constant. This kind of differential equation is called linear differential equation. Yeah, as I said earlier, the ultimate goal is what? Try to convert this unknown form into the known form. Thereby, you can solve it easily. To convert this unknown form into known form, here we are multiplying on both sides the given differential equation with one factor. The advantage of this factor is if whenever we are multiplying the equation on both sides with this kind of factor, then automatically the equation is reducible into the known form. That factor is called integrating factor. That factor is called integrating factor. Or simply I can write it as IF. IF means integrating factor. Here the integrating factor of this equation is e to the power of integral p dx. This is important. As a bit also they may ask, provided x as the independent variable. Suppose if y as the independent variable, the integrating factor becomes e to the power of integral p dy. If t as the independent variable, you can write the integrating factor as e to the power of integral p dt. So here the independent variable play a very good role in solving the problems. After finding this integrating factor, the solution is very simple that I am giving in method of solution. See, first step is you find integrating factor. Here integrating factor is what? E to the power of integral p dx. The second step is solution. What is solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus. Enough. You will get the answer. Clear? So that is why this is one of the easiest method and at the same time very, very useful for objective type of problems. See, this is about what? Linear differential equations. Suppose you try to understand this equation. See the difference between previous equation and this one. In a previous equation, there is no, what is there? There is no y term after q. There is no y function after q. But here, it is y power n is there. Almost it is just similar to the linear, but q into y power n is there. Whenever the differential equation is in this form, this is called the Bernoulli's differential equation. It is not in the linear form. But what I am doing is, now I am going to convert this into the linear form. Once if it is in linear form, then ball is in my court. For that, what I am doing is, now divide on both sides with y power n. So that becomes y power minus n dy by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n equal to q. At this time, what we are doing is, we are taking this y power 1 minus n as some t or something. Okay. So here, p and q are the functions of x, or constants, other than 0 and 1. They are constants other than functions of constants. You can take any constant other than 0 and 1. Then the step 1 is what? We are now dividing on both sides with what? Y power n. So you consider the coefficient of p, that is y power 1 minus n, as t or v, whatever it may be. Find dy by dx. And automatically the equation will be converted into linear differential equation. Solve it. And replace y with or v with or t with whatever the substitution it may be, to the corresponding y power 1 minus n, you will get the solution. Okay. But a question is guarantee exclusive on or from linear differential equation. See my friends, this is the question. And this is the question they asked in 16th March JEE main examination. See, if y equal to y of x is the differential equation, is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x, and y of pi by 3 equal to 0, then the maximum value, see, so far if you have identified or observed all the questions, they have not asking the direct questions. They are mixed oriented questions only they are asking. At least in the end of the problem, they are linking the question with maximum, minima, or areas or something. That's why you try to practice this kind of questions even in your regular preparation also. Okay, solving up to here it is one part, and finding the maximum value is the second part. Okay, how to solve it? So my friends, dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. So here my p is what? 2 tan x. My q is what? Sin x. So my integrating factor is what? E to the power of integral p dx. So e to the power of integral 2 tan x dx. This is e to the power of, that is what? Minus 2 log mod cos x. Or I can write it as cos square x. Secant square. Secant square x. This is my IF. Up to IF is a problem. Up to IF, integrating factor is also a problem. Sometimes they may ask, well, what is integrating factor of this equation? So my solution is y into IF, y into secant square x is equal to integration q into, that means sin x into IF, that is secant square x dx plus c, or you can write c at the end. This is y secant square x equal to, this I can write it as secant x into tan x. I know it very well. What is secant x into tan x? That is secant x plus c. But what is given for me? Y of pi by 3 equal to 0. That means at x is equal to pi by 3, y is 0. So substitute x is equal to pi by 3. So y into sine 60 degrees. Secant 60, yes, cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to what? 1 by 2. So secant 60, that is 4, equal to, this is 2 plus c. This is y of pi by 3 is 0, so this becomes 0. So my c equal to minus 2. So ultimately what I get? Y secant square x is equal to secant x minus 2. This is my solution. I got it. Now, I am now converting this entire equation in terms of y, because I want to find maximum value of y of x. So y equal to, this I can write it as 1 by cos square x or 1 by cos x. Then after simplification, this becomes what? Cos square x so y by cos square x equal to 1 by cos x minus 1. So y equal to cos x into 1 minus cos x. Clear? This is minus cos square x plus cos x. This is looks like what? A quadratic equation in cos. And you know it. The maximum value is b square minus 4ac by 4a. That is for quadratic equation. So here you can write the quadratic. Directly you can write maximum value by that formula. I will show it to you. See, this ultimately I got it. The same thing I got it. So this is in the form of what? The quadratic equation. If y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, the maximum value is what? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Apply this formula. Here it is in terms of cos x. So substitute this b square minus 4ac by 4a. You will get this as 1 by 8. So my friends, what I am suggesting is, they are not asking the direct questions. Some trick will be there. The trick is they may connect this problem with either areas or some maximum minima, something like that. See, the maximum value, beautiful problem. Here coefficient, because it is in first quadrant, that's why all terms are cos is coefficient of cos is also negative. If a is negative, then only maximum value exists. Coefficient of cos is also what? Negative. That's why maximum value exists. Got the point? And what is the formula? B square minus 4ac by 4a. Apply that. You will get the answer easily. Clear? This is one problem. Now coming to next problem. Again, this question they asked in JEE Main 2021 March 16th shift 2. See, you have observed shift 1 paper question as well as shift 2 paper question. See here, dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to 2 sin x and y of pi by 3 equal to 0. Whereas here this problem is what? Dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to sin x. There is no much difference. Almost everything is same. Here x is in this quadrant and y of 0 is equal to 0 is given for you. They are asking you to find y of pi by 4. Directly it is in the form of what? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. So my p is equal to what? Tan x. My q is equal to what? Sin x. So my if is what? e to the power of integral p dx. So e to the power of integral tan x, that is e to the power of minus log x, that is 1 by cos x. So solution is what? Y into if, that is y into 1 by cos x is equal to integration sin x by cos x dx plus c. That means y by cos x equal integration of tan x again. Again it is what? Minus log cos x plus c. But what is given for you? Y of 0 is equal to 0. So if I have substitute y of 0 is equal to 0, so this is 0. This is equal to 0 plus c. So y equal to minus cos x log of cos x. This you got it. But they are asking you to find what? Y of pi by 4. That is, you substitute pi by 4 there, you can get answer as what? Cos pi by 4, that is 1 by 1 by 2 root 2, and log of 1 by 2 root 2. After simplification, you will get as answer. See? Very simple, direct question. This kind of problems are called what? Boundary or initial value problems. With the help of these conditions, everybody should get the fixed answer only. Everybody should get the fixed answer only. So this is my integrating factor. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor. Simplify this. But what is given for you? Y of 0 is equal to 0. That is given for you. So c becomes 0. So this is my solution. But they are asking to find the value of the function at x is equal to pi by 4. You substitute it and simplify it. You get answer this as 1. Here simplification is important because log root 2, that means log 2 power 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 root 2 log 2. Clear? This is about another problem. Now coming to next problem, this is they asked in 2021 17th March shift. See here, the curve y equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation 2 into, that means 2 into x square plus x power 5 by 4 dy equal to y into x plus x power 1 by 4 dx plus 2x power 9 by 4 dx. This is the question they ask. It is passing through the point what? 1 comma 1 minus 4 by 3 log 2 base. So what I am doing is, now I want to convert the equation into, of course these are the options. These are the options given for you. So what I am doing now is, what is my dy by dx? I need to find the structure. So divide first what to do? Divide on both sides with 2 into x square plus x power 5 by 4. So dy by dx equal to minus x plus x power 1 by 4 by 2 into x square plus x power 5 by 4. Okay. Yes. This is yeah. First I do like this. Two into x square plus x power 5 by 4 by 2x power 9 by 4 into dy by dx minus y into x plus x power 1 by 4 dx equal to, there is no dx, equal to 1. Divide on both sides by x power 9 by 4, 2 equal to 1. So I have divided everything on both sides with 2x power 9 by 4 dx. So again I can write this as what? 2x square plus x power 5 by 4 by 2 gets cancel, I think. X power 9 by 4 dy by dx minus of x plus x power 1 by 4 by 2x power 9 by 4 y equal to 1. You can again cross multiply with the x power 9 by 4 and divide this. So dy by dx minus, they can get cancelled, x plus x power 1 by 4 by x square plus x power 5 by 4 into y equal to course this half I can also put it here, 1 by x square plus x power 5 by 4. Now it is my what? After simplification, you get this form. dy by dx minus y by 2x is equal to x power 5 by 4. See, after simplification, I think by taking this as common, x as common, you can get this, the terms will get cancelled. So ultimately you can get this as the term. So this was the linear differential equation. So getting this form is very difficult here. Once after getting this, my p is what? Minus 1 by 2x. My q is what? X power 5 by 4 by x plus x power 1 by 4. So if into e to the power of integral minus p dx. So my if is 1 by root x. So my solution, general solution, y into if is equal to this one. Now integrate this. After integration, you can get answer as this one. But what is given to you? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So substitute this. You will get what? C value. But they are asking you to find the value of the function at x is equal to 116. So now put x is equal to 16 there, you will get y, that is this one. So my friend, here the important point is solving this integration. Here, how to solve this integration is also very, very important. This is not that easy. Actually, the integration is integration after simplification, x power 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 by, you take a x as common, 1 plus x power 1 by 4 minus 1 means 1 by 4 minus 1 is minus 3 by 4. Of course, dx. This is again x power 5 minus 2, 3 by 4, that is by, again this 3 by 4 it comes under numerator, 3 by 4 to x. This is what? 1 plus x power 3 by 4 dx. This is, I can write it as x power 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 6 by 4, that means 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1, not 3 by 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. dx by 1 plus x power 3 by 4. If you put this as t, automatically you can get that f dash x by f of x model. That's why log f of x. See, this is the beauty in this integration. Not difficult. It is a little bit lengthy. Only thing is you require patience, and without doing any mistakes in solving the problem, put your more concentration on paper, you will get the answer very neatly. Otherwise, definitely majority of the students will do the mistakes. That's why even the options are given for you what? Fixed answers. It is very difficult to check the answers also. See, so in general, in competitive examinations, whenever they are asking the questions in a definite integration or in differential equations, majorly they are concentrating on this kind of initial value or boundary value type of problems. And of course, this is about what? JEE main 18th March shift to paper. See here, it's the same type of model. That's why linear differential equation is one of the most important topic. Dy by dx is equal to y plus 1 into y plus 1 e power x square by 2 minus x. So this is what indirectly 1 by y plus 1 dy by dx equal to y plus 1 e power x square by 2 minus x. What I am doing is 1 by y plus 1 dy by dx here minus of y plus 1 into, or I can write y into e power x square by 2 plus is equal to e power x square by 2 minus x. I have just separated the things. So, what is my linear difference? Dy by dx plus py. Py, that is important. Py is important. Or I can do like this. I can do like this. This is better. Instead of doing like this is better. You multiply y plus 1 whole square, I can get it as what? Dy by dx equal to y plus 1 whole square into e power x square by 2 minus x into y plus 1. Or you write like this. Dy by dx plus x into y plus 1 equal to y plus 1 whole square into e power x square by 2. So now what I am doing is, see, these are the options. Again, what I am doing is, I am now considering this already I told now. Divide both sides with y, 1 by y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx plus x by y plus 1 equal to e power x square by 2. This is not like a linear differential equation. This is not in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. There is something. So what I am doing now is put 1 by y plus 1 equal to some z or some t. So this automatically now becomes 1 by y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So now this is nothing but minus dz by dx minus zx equal to e power x square by 2. Now it is what? A linear differential equation with x as independent variable and z as the dependent variable. See? That is the beauty in the problem. X as independent variable and t as the or z, whatever it may be. Take your substitution. Now the problem is very simple for you. Now find if. Now, so here there y into, but here my independent variable is a t. T into if is equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Why dx? Because x is the independent variable. So substitute it and simplify this. You will get this as answer. But what is given to you? Y of 2 equal to 0. So when x is equal to 2, y becomes 0. So now substitute. When x is equal to 2, y equal to 0. So thereby you will get answer C for that, like this. But what they are asking you, what is the value of dy by dx at y x is equal to 1. So here, what to do? You find dy by dx. And put x is equal to 1. And simplify this. You will get this as the answer. So my friends, actually it is no doubt about it, it is somewhat different problem and a lengthy problem. First, conversion of that non-linear differential into linear is an art. There we have divided on both sides with y plus 1 whole square, and automatically by taking the corresponding substitution, this non-linear differential equation now converted into the linear equation. That's why it is also an application of Bernoulli's differential equation. Though it is not there in your syllabus, but they have given it. On paper, Bernoulli's is not there in your syllabus, but they asked this question. The evidence is they asked this question in 18th March JEE Main 2021 Shift 2. So my friends, this kind of questions they are asking. Hope if you like this, please share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Like this kind of problems, we will get so many more. See, my friends, here sometimes I am not solving the entire problems because it takes time only. Only with one problem only it takes a maximum time. That's why here I am giving the hint only. In your preparation, you please put everything on paper. Here I am giving the directions. Okay, you please practice this kind of questions. Nowadays they are asking this orientation. In your regular preparation also, you collect this kind of problems and work well. You will get good marks. And we will meet with the next video, differential equations, lesson number 6. Okay, my friends, wish you all the best. Thank you.